Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. Today we're going to be taking out the Grabber Lime Green Mustang, which is a bolt-on E85 car. Does have suspension, some other mods, things like that. Does have some Mickey Thompson tires that are more like a street tire, not like a drag radial. So this car is not the fastest car in the world. It's just a bolt-on E85 10-speed car. I bought it this way, so that's just the way it came. So I don't know who tuned it. I don't know how much power it made, any of those things. I just bought the car this way. I let a few different drivers drive the car to kind of see what they thought of the car. They're not real familiar with it. But in this video today, we're going to be racing an Evo 10 that makes around 450, 500 wheel. We're going to be racing a Zl1, which is stock, but it is a 6-speed car. Got some few runs in with it. We're going to be racing a lot of other cars in this video, like a GTO, this an LSA swap. There's a lot of cars we're going to be racing in this video today. We'll kind of go over each individual one, but let me know what you guys think. This car is kind of like, I would say like 475 to 500 horsepower, probably more on the 475 range, but I wish I knew more about it. We could put it on a dyno, but unfortunately I bought it the car this way. This is the way it came. So let me know what you guys think on these races. We try to go competitively with cars that were similar power, similar weight, you know, that we would make good competition videos of watching this car race. So let me know what you guys think. And if there's any cars you would like us to go up against with this car, let us know in the comments down below. We would love to, you know, race this car against any cars that we think that would be good competition for it. So watch these videos. Let me know what you guys think. leak or anything? It was so much fun, man. I couldn't tell if you were 6-speed or if you were 10-speed. I couldn't tell. I was like, I think he's a 6-speed.
Compliment.
Yeah, I mean,
I probably could have kept going up and down there until I ran out of gas, because it's like.
Yeah, dude.
You know,
It's a little delayed.
I wonder if those guys are going too.
Yeah.
camera. Try it. Try him again. He's by himself, correct? He's by, bro. You take me out? 'Cause I'm a ballast right now. You take me out?
Tell
Take
him to
it.
come over here.
You say over here?
Come behind us.
Oh, wait, which way?
Tell him to come over here.
Come on, my bad. This way. My bad. That thing sounds beautiful. Keep recording. Oh, I'm still recording.